Connor's taking off the timing cover. We already took off the oil pan. While he's doing that, I'll show you what the bottom there. The motor does not turn over. A little bit of goop in the bottom. Not a ton, but
I was wondering what that was. It was like it's like clouds going by.
we got our diesel burner.
That's it. Just need the hammer and the
Hammer and the screwdriver. Start right around there.
yeah, like right here.
Yeah. There it goes. It's looking okay.
Yeah, not too bad.
Nice and dry. Chain's got a little bit of slap in it. We'll probably replace that with a set of gears
Wow, it's too the way it is.
because I want it to be nice and tight.
Oh,
It's an easy kit to buy.
shit. Not bad. That's pretty good on the inside. Minus the fact
You
that
can
it
put that in the bottom down there.
Yeah, shit. And right.
Put it on top of the old pen there,
Yeah.
and then I'll get you this. Would that fit on there? I think those are too big.
Yeah,
Yep.
well, by like two sizes. And it's two up.
Try that one.
Yep.
Okay.
God damn.
There you go. Get them all loose first.
Yeah.
And that gear sits right on the edge. It doesn't actually have anything to go on.
Oh, really?
It's just sitting there.
On the bolts.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna take the last one out. Be sure to hold it.
Oh no, the timing chain will hold it. We don't really care about the timing right now because it don't matter.
Unless you don't know how good the motor
And then
is.
this is going to slide back. Well, it's got a keyway in it, so we need a little persuasion. We'll have to use a puller on that. Pull this off and get the chain off.
Nope, won't go because of the chain.
Let me get a bigger mover to the wall of stuff.
I don't think that's gonna go.
Might have to pull it off. I don't know.
Yep, going, you're going. At least the bottom's coming.
I think it's moving. Maybe.
I think it's stuck now, yeah.
Yeah, it's moving.
Piece by piece, there we go.
There it goes. go. Stick that in the
Okay.
thing.
There we
So
go.
this pin lines up that gear.
Yeah, right there. That's a little hole for it. So, but you're changing it. We're changing out that whole thing.
Yep, for gears.
Yeah. So does that mean it's just going to be on the front right here like this? There's no mark.
Yeah, there'll be a
yet?
gear here and a gear here, and they're gonna mesh,
Oh, okay.
and it'll be nice and tight. Won't be any slapping in the timing chain.
What does that normally make a slap sound with those cars?
Yeah, it makes a hell of a sound when they go bad. So this is the camshaft. This is a crankshaft. So the cam we can't get out yet because we got to pull out everything
All
else
that.
and push the lifters down, and then we can do that. So we can actually see if we can get the lifters out next. Let me have that hammer.
There. Yeah, take the pan.
I did it again. Set the thing on here and it just picks up the sockets. Okay, let's rotate the engine over.
Really?
Yeah, so we can get the lifters off.
Alright. Go. Is it good?
And pull the pin out and just flip it. There you go. Put the pin back in. And we need a pair of pliers. As y'all can tell, I don't like doing cuts, so we just go ahead and get them. Okay, so you're gonna grab this and just pull them out,
Oh, alright.
just like that,
Easy as it gets.
and you can just lay them inside. So grab the ones you can get. There you go. That's nice that they're coming out.
Oh, yeah.
And then let's keep them in order here for a second.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get an egg crate from back here. These things work great. Let me cut that off. So we'll start here.
Some of them coming, some of them not.
3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll go 7, 8. Try this one.
This one's mobile. There we go. Stuck in there.
There you go, right here. See if you get that one.
Oh yeah.
All right.
These two don't want to go.
It's okay. Let's go to the other side.
Right there?
We're gonna go. Yeah, we'll start right there. Yep.
That?
The last two will be up here.
Hopefully not damaging them too much.
That'd be all right.
Nah, that one's in there. that? Be up here.
Yep.
Okay, so you could try and do those ones.
Right here. Woo!
Yeah, they're in there.
There's that one. They're just a little stuck. Just rotate it a little bit.
Yep, then these two, they just go right there. Because those two are these.
Yep.
So, yeah,
Get
so,
around this. That one's way in there.
Oh, yeah. Some of them are really recessed in.
Might have to get them from the top. Oh, there we go. We got it to rotate. That one might be a little bugger.
Well, we came this far, might as well get it out with that one. You're like tapping with a screwdriver.
Well, there's nothing to tap on.
Tap on it, it'll give it a shock, so that way it can actually kind of free up whatever.
Oh.
There you go.
Got it to rotate. All I gotta do is get a hold of it.
There you go.
Got it. Okay, so we don't mess these things up. Front of the motor's that way. I'm just gonna draw a little arrow. And that way we know that these ones came off that side, these ones came off the back side. At least that's what we're hoping. So I'm going to take these over to the bench without dumping them everywhere.
Yeah, it's the weakest part of the styrofoam was that one.